Hello guys, I'm back again. In our last video, or in our last two videos rather, we looked at two different wheel designs, one with one axle and one where each wheel had separate axles. So we're going to see it actually built in our little car here. So we have, I'm going to name her Sarah. Sarah is driving our car, and our back two wheels are on two separate axles, so they have that tan piece, so they're two separate ones. But then the front wheel, which is actually what we're going to be steering, is just on one. And if you watched the book A videos, you'll recognize this is actually our funny looking gear. It's called a crown gear, and we're using that to steer today. So I've built it so that we can steer it. And so we're going to, in this video and then in the next one, compare how well it moves forward and then turns when it has one axle, or in the next video we're going to look at when they're in two separate axles. So let's take a look. So they're driving, and it runs pretty smoothly when we're going straight. But you'll see it's very difficult to turn actually. In fact, it kind of gets stuck because when it tries to turn, one of the wheels is going to skid because both of them, because they're on the same axle, they both want to spin at the same time, and when you're turning you need your wheels to be spinning at different speeds. So having these two wheels be on the same axle is not working out pretty well. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear that, but you can actually hear the skidding on the plastic. Yeah, so conclusion, having on one axle does a really good job of spinning or going straight, but doesn't do a good job of turning. So let's look at the next video and then we'll test to see what happens when we have two separate axles.